Welcome to this AceReader speed reading software tutorial. This tutorial covers how to perform a force speed mode test with AceReader Elite. The force speed mode tests are special tests that allow you to see how well you comprehend when being forced to read at a certain speed. To access the force speed mode tests, I'm going to first log on. Force speed mode tests can only be accessed from the menu mode. So I'm going to press the menu mode button from the startup screen. I am then brought to the menu mode screen. To access the force speed mode tests, just hover over that activity, and when you see that it's highlighted, just click. There appears to be a lot going on with this screen, but really you are only selecting three things. You are selecting a comprehension test, a display option setting, and a speed. To select a test, you first select the test set. Notice the test sets are broken into themes. You then choose a test within the test set. Notice that the names of the tests indicate the text complexity level. By the way, these red check marks indicate that you have already taken these tests. I'm going to select the Level 01 Story 01 test. To select a display option, you can select from the different preset option sets. Then you can select a specific option setting within the option set. It should be noted that it is possible to add your own display options from the administration functions. I'm going to select the Highlight Newspaper Column one-line option. Again, this specifies how the text will be flashed on the screen. Finally, I'm going to select a speed. You can specify an explicit speed, a speed relative to your base reading speed as determined from your self-paced tests. You can also specify a speed relative to your goal speed or as a percentage between your base reading speed and your goal speed. I'm going to specify an explicit speed of 400 words per minute. Notice this Ignore Fine-Tune Speed Options checkbox. This is a detail that you typically don't need to worry about, but I wanted to mention it. Each of the option settings up here may have included certain fine-tuned speed option settings. This checkbox allows you to ignore the fine-tuned speed options associated with the selected option setting. To begin, just press the Begin Comprehension Test button. The program will now present the story using the display options and speed settings that you specified. This is a Level 1 story, so it's short and we can wait for it to complete. When it's done presenting the story, you are then presented with a quiz. There are 4 questions per story for levels 1 and 2. Levels 3 to 13 have 8 questions per story. When you are done answering the questions, you can press the Done button. You are then presented with a test results screen that shows you your correct and incorrect answers. You are also shown your comprehension score and reading speed for this test. Your reading speed and comprehension for this test is logged so that you can monitor your progress over time when looking at your test results. Again, this is a special type of test that you can periodically take that allows you to determine how well you understand the story when being forced to read at a certain speed. It serves to validate that you are able to understand the story even when reading at speeds higher than you thought possible. When you are done looking over the test results for this test, just press the OK button.